Hey guys, Rob Murphy from Holistic Healing Choices here. Now, during the isolation bit, I put on a bit of weight, and while not being happy with myself, there is always time to fix it, which is why I've come up with the 10-week weight loss challenge for myself, more so. But feel free to follow along too. So, in starting at 105 kilos, as I've got there, option is, or the goal is, rather, to lose 10 kilos in 10 weeks. So roughly about 1 kilo a week. And we'll see how we go thereafter. I know, probably initially, it's going to be easy to lose maybe 1.5, 2 kilos a week. But it'll be that last little bit that'll be the struggle. Seeing as normally I sit around 95 anyway. So will I be able to get right back down to that using this or not? So that's why I've implemented some strategies for that. So first off, intermittent fasting. Not eating breakfast. Really having nothing and giving my body a chance to flush itself out. The only thing I'll be having there is water in the mornings. As well as maybe a pre-train or anything else which comes into the subs, so I can push myself that little bit harder. Also, smaller portions of food. Less food. Less food equals less weight. Now, there too is that, will I be able to keep up the stuff with less energy coming in, less fuel coming in? So we'll have a look at that and explore that as well. Already talked about increased water to keep everything going, everything lubricated, flushing out, all stuff that's not necessary. Increased training, increase how much I'm doing, how much energy I'm burning each and every day. I'm aiming to train at least twice a day. So 2 times a day, whether that be weights, whether it be cardio, whether it be whatever, it is doing a bit of training, doing more activity. A better diet. Now that goes without saying. My diet lately has been rubbish. So it's been alcohol, pizza, chips, all sorts of things that are contributing to this weight. Because it's easy, because it's there, and because I just can't be arsed cooking sometimes. Or I take the easier route. So that's stopping, eating better, cutting out the beers. So doing dry July at the moment, cutting out sugar or anything else that would send my body into an inflammatory sort of response. And then getting back into that too. So lately, I've been dealing with a bit of bursitis in my elbow, which has stopped me from doing any sort of pushing or pulling sort of activity, as well as a little bit less with martial arts and stuff as well. So, be looking at an improvement in that as well. Subs, so vitamins, protein shakes, other things that will keep me fulfilled, keep my body and all the minerals and all that sort of stuff, keep that up to me, so my body is getting as much nutrition as it possibly can. Then moving into what I do for a living sort of thing, so with the hypnosis and emotional freedom technique, just to help clear out any emotional stuff, maybe clear out some soreness and stuff as well, and get me back on track with that. So subconsciously getting me to eat less, to stop believing that I'm a fat hopeless wreck, whatever the case may be, as well as believing that I can do this, stopping whatever's happening at the moment. And I mean that might include journaling and other stuff as well, but in there too should be recovery. I will put that with the training sort of thing, so recovering so I can do more each day. But I'm really excited about this journey and I really want to get it underway. So let's have a quick body check for the current moment. So this is what 105 kilos looks like on me at the moment. So it is a bit flabby all over. So looking to tone up and increase the strength while decreasing the weight that I'm currently got. So, I invite you to join me on this one because I've got goals later in the year. So, the Spartan Beast or Ultra, whatever the hell it's bloody called, the 20k one, that's one of my goals, as well as another city to surf, and basically being fitter, healthier, stronger than I currently am. But anyway guys, let's see what we can do in 10 weeks.